Okay, what we have here today, guys, look at this. Oh man, there's a Nissan truck for us to tune. Look at that. Oh, look at this. That's crazy, man. Very nice.
You're gone. Good.
How do I?
Good.
Good. Oh man, look at this. Woo, sexy. It's crazy. Yeah, let's see this turbo right here, guys. It's one of a kind. Belong to you?
Yeah.
That's yours?
Yes, sir.
What you do to it?
It's just an eBay turbo kit.
Really? And a stock motor?
Yeah, stock and turtles.
How many pounds you gonna push?
Hopefully somewhere between 15 and 18.
On the stock motor?
A stock motor. There's supposed to be pretty good bottom ends.
Really? Sure?
I have some faith in it.
Oh man.
From what I've found out online.
So stock bottom, I don't know. We have to find out how many boosters hold, guys. Look at that, but it's crazy. Oh man, looks so nice. What do you guys think? Man, let's go to the truck again. Woo, baby. Yeah, go around it. What's your name?
Great.
Great, yeah.
What's your name?
Min.
Min,
Yeah, great, yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Let's do it. What's the tuner program in here? Megasquirt?
Yeah, Megasquirt.
Megasquirt?
Yeah, the bench is out of it so you can see the ECU.
Okay. Megasquirt tuner on this side, guys. Yeah.
You guys put a tuner chair right there?
Ooh, man, no seat, guys, no seat. No seat, guys. Man, your transmission too, look at that. Ooh, baby. Yeah. Yeah, he weld everything here.
That's what we call legends.
Man, why you piece exhaust? Piece together. Look at that. Be aggressive. Push it down, guys. Three dudes push it up. God dang.
Should I turn it off? Should I turn the ignition on?
Yeah, just move it 2 positions of the steering wheel.
Close the door. Is it brake? Is it brake? Oh man, let's push it. Oh! Is he off the brake? Yeah, he's in gear, yeah.
Come on, Michael. There you go.
There you go. It's going down. Oh man. Woo! Turn. Oh, weld the diff? God dang. Weld the diff, man. That's why it's hard to push.
Try to drift or what? Yeah.
Try to do burnout drift.
Yeah, they get sideways.
Smoke. Hey, crazy. Woo!
Like a
Race car, man. Race car. Race car.
You're not alive to the ram, not alive to the ram, not go up to the ram yet. Until we got started. Straight, yeah. Yeah, back down. Okay, good.
Man, look at that.
Oh, this guy?
Why double bolt it? The bolt too long.
This is all the wire stuff. I left it all exposed in case it was right. I think I got this stuff.
Yeah. Leak hay là cái này chảy ra? Is this ready leak?
Um,
If the the stud not holding the head real good, it's gonna lift the head and it's gonna explode.
Is it held on by bolts or studs, you think?
Huh?
The head?
What?
Are the head bolts stock? Or
Yeah,
is it
because he
studs?
said it's dedication right here. Come down, check over the radiator. So they have the radiator you need.
Yeah, aluminum.
Nice. Yeah, yeah, look nice.
Looking
Yeah. No work today, huh?
Oh yeah, good day. Might need to do some need some new radiator hose.
Oh really? You cut it?
Yeah. Well, the outside diameter is a little bit different.
Oh.
But good time.
Okay, first start. First start here, guys. First start. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. No seat. Okay. Start and everything. Time to check the timing, guys. Time to check the timing. Got a little fog, a little hiccup, it's okay. Okay, so Greg come here ready to drive it up the dyno, and we're ready to tune, but tune on Monday, guys. I don't know if gonna move or not. Let's see you drive up. Yeah. Yep. Manual transmission, really hard to ship out.
Back and forth like this?
Yeah. I just put it in the same place. It's like, just put the new parts on.
Did you tighten it?
Yeah.
Still feels good as play.
I tightened it. No, because the whole thing's moving.
Yeah, it's for the seat. You're gonna drive, man. See. Oh, that seat too big.
Let's see.
Perfect.
No, that'll work all right.
Make sure you seat belt too. xuống à? That's all. Yeah, so
You gotta
yeah.
save it? You said I do need to put partial coolant?
No, just put water in there.
Alright.
Because maybe you got air, a lot of air, that's why.
Can you slide the pan out?
Hold on.
Today we put in the new radiator and everything like that ready, so now it's time to tune, guys, and hopefully go up to 15 power boost. Yep. Yeah, tune on Mega Sport, guys, Mega Sport. Wow, what guys think? Mini truck, Nissan, guys, and K24 motor and the turbo. Boosted. Woo! Wow, 214 horsepower, guys, to the wheel. 214. Climb it up. 278 on the torque, guys.
you add a lot of torque. Actually, your gear is shorter. Now, the boost is pushing. 8.5. Where you at? It's at 83.
$268, guy. 268 to the wheel.
Almost 13 pounds.
On 13 pounds.
There's a piston down
Tóm lại crank này mấy?
326. 327.
327 to the
Oh.
crank.
Yeah.
327 to the crank, guys. Yep. 200 what? 268 to the wheel. 327 to the crank. Hey, you passed the 300 mark.
I know. I was thinking about 15 pounds. We're at what, 12, 13 right now? I want a pickup, not a bomb. I think I might stop here. I said I want a pickup, not a bomb. I don't want it to explode. Is that one? All right, wide open already. We're done.
In this drivability tune with wide open already on 13 pounds, 268, guys. At 327 to the crank. So now we just do the light drivability, you know, so I can be on the road smoother. Yeah. So the wide open throttle is done already. Wide open throttle is done already, guys. Yeah. Okay, man, he got a hoodie.
Hoodie.
Shirt and a hoodie, man. Yeah, represent.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you do burn out on the ice cream cruise on that one.
Oh, yeah. So you get
Yeah,
the
man.
check out the back.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
We're dripping.
Okay. The truck is ready. Ready to load back in the trailer, guys.
Go with it.
We're gonna make another drive.
Go put around.
Yeah, man. It's 13 pounds. It make 268 on the wheel and 327 to the crank, guys. 13 pounds, and he don't want to go more. That's it. That's over the limit already because he want 300 only. Now he got the crank like 327 already. Yep. So now we have to test ride around, see what happens. Woo, man. Tow it here and drive it home. And that's where he's gonna take my nephew, run around, do some lap, check the boost and everything. Test hit on it, guys. Yep. Test hit on it before I go up in the trailer. Horsepower 267.8.6 and 369. No, 329 to the crank, guys. Oh man. Yep. Crazy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. Have to do some test hits. Look at that. Oh my god. Sao bị cut vậy? Okay, my brother can't drive it. It's bark a lot because the temp sensor read too low. two-step, huh?
I didn't even know I had two steps.
Oh, my brother always do the two-step on any car. So because people like it like that.
Yeah, we were sitting at a red light. Somebody revved us and revved back. You're like, what? I was like, whoa, what the fuck was that?
Definitely in there.
My brother always do the two-step on any car.
I figured it out. The fucking Civic got a red light.
Yeah. Man, this is cool trailer. Woo, baby, man. Oh, man, this is crazy. Get too way excited, my man. I'll come back, put a bat on it, and then retune it. Guys, retune it. Look at that. Look different with a bat on. Yeah, look really different. Look at that. Yeah. Turn up some more boost.
Runs at 9.1 and 187 mile an hour.
A new design shirt coming. Speed Edition guy and a turbo and Phammotorsport is over here. Sports is over here. Okay, Nate, wanna come get it? Yep, damn legend guys. Woo, new edition. Very nice. Speed Edition guy. Look at that, sexy.